And overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 14, verse 1 up to 4. And it came to pass in the days of Amraphel, king of Shinar, Arioch, king of Elasar, Chedorlaomer, king of Elam, and Tidal, king of nations. Is that this made war with Bera, king of Sodom, and with Bersha, king of Gomorrah, Shinab, king of Adma, and Shemiber, king of Sibuim, and the king of Bela, which is Soar. All these were joined together in the valley of Siddim, which is the South Sea. 12 years they served Chedorlaomer, and in the 13th year they rebelled. So that's it. During the time of Abraham, there is a war, and King Chedorlaomer is the Asian conqueror, conquering a lot of lands and and those leader or those king on those lands rebel against him on the 13th year. So there's a war, but even during those war, Abraham together with his family were saved by the Lord. See, yes, there is war in the surrounding nations, but God protect Abraham.